decision making. It's the heart of leadership, but weirdly, it's also where many of us leaders always get stuck. Even the smart ones, and of course, even the seasoned ones. Do you know that moment when the stakes are super high and the call needs to be made, the trigger needs to be pulled, but it could completely shift everything into a new direction? It could be a new tool, a process, a change, something that's going to shape how your team, how your organization works day in and day out. And because it has so much gravity behind it, you want to make sure that you get it right. So what do? Well, you do what every responsible leader does, right? Let's get some data attached to this. Let's do some more research. Let's talk to people. Let's socialize this. Let's survey people. You build your notes. You sit on it. You think about it. You revisit it. And then somehow you still can't seem to go and make the decision. And you're thinking, well, before we make this decision fully, maybe we need to just check one more report or pull in a little bit more data or have another meeting about a meeting. And without even realizing it, you're stuck, you're spinning in circles and you're thinking, but I'm being so thorough. But actually, well, you've just entered the trap of analysis paralysis. It's where your brain gets so busy trying to make the perfect decision all the time that it forgets actually how to make any decision at all. And here's what's really dangerous about this part. It doesn't feel like hesitation. It actually feels like that your team, that your leadership is being careful, is being smart, and is being responsible. But you and I both know over time that caution actually changes into a pattern, and that pattern becomes the culture. And it's a culture where no one moves unless everything is 100% right or the leadership feels 100% safe in that moment. You and I also both know that in today's world, your competitors aren't waiting, the market sure isn't waiting, and your customers, they're already gone. They're definitely not waiting. So this is not about being reckless. Leadership isn't about guessing either. It's about creating that responsible momentum. Oh, that's so good. Responsible momentum. And if you're feeling stuck right now, if your hands are tied because analysis paralysis, I'm about to share 3 powerful things that you could do immediately to break free. So stick with me towards the end, because honestly, these things might be the exact tools that save you from that spiral, from that overthinking, and from that analysis paralysis.